اوكي زمزم عبد الكريم سيدي مجوكا زمزم عبد الكريم سيدي زمزم سعدية بركة خلاص سعدية بركة زمزم عبد الكريم سيدي
I want to talk about reading. Reading is very important. If you read more, you will understand more. If you don't read something, you will not. Because of you don't read anything. Believe that I to read something. Believe that I to read something. Be very avoid person. Don't be very person. Thank you all of you for listening my
Okay, thank you. Zakaria Abdurrashid Abdghani. Zakaria Abdurrashid Abdghani. Zakaria Abdurrashid Abdghani.
Good afternoon, teachers, my friends. Today I am very happy to have you here, and I was preparing myself for this day. When the actual moment has arrived here, I can think anything is here. Else except two words which is only. Thank you, my dear God, teacher, and my friends. Thank you and advice.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zakaria Abdurrashid Abdghani. Okay,
Thailand.